this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting with another in our series of great videos about sales best practices. Last time we talked about how important it is for you to be proactive rather than reactive. So we've got another great idea for you today. Today's idea is that we want you to communicate with your clients and your prospects in a very specific way. The way we want you to communicate is proactively and clearly and concisely. Don't allow your customers to have any surprises. Tell them exactly what's going to happen in your selling process. Make sure they understand what you're doing every step along the way. And maybe more importantly, make sure they understand why you're doing what you're doing. If you can keep your customer informed and you can impress them with how absolutely meticulous you are in following a helpful, value-delivering sales process for them, you're going to win more sales, my friend. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, where we help our clients to deliver ambitious results. Today, I'm hoping I've helped you to deliver some ambitious sales results. See you next time.